Hi friends, today I'm going to be showing you how to make pollo con mole. What you're going to need is some chicken thighs, 1 tortilla, chocolate de abuelita, 4 árbol de chiles, or chili de árbol, sorry. You're going to also need 4 guajillos, garlic, onion, tomato, cubitos de pollo, crackers. You're going to need some peanuts. You're going to need some sesame seeds. And you're going to need this right here. It's mole Doña Maria. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to make this easy recipe, how to make the mole. Stay with us. Okay, friends. So here we are. We're going to boil up the chicken thighs, a half an onion, 2 cubitos de pollo, and 2 garlic pieces. Fry them up. We're going to fry up a half of onion, 7 garlic pieces, your 4 guajillos, your 4 chili de árbol, and your tomato. When we are finished and they're already fried up, we're going to go ahead and transfer them to the blender. We're going to go ahead and heat up 1 tortilla and add it to the blender. We are also adding 3 crackers to the blender. We are also going to add a small handful of peanuts into the blender. We also added some sesame seeds, just a sprinkle. Okay guys, so we're going to go ahead and put in the Doña Maria mole. You're going to put it all in there. Also going to get just 1 little slice of the abuelita chocolate. It should look like that big. You're going to put into the blender as well. Okay guys, so we went ahead and we put 4 cups of the chicken water that we ended up boiling. We added it to the blender. Before you guys end up pouring this on top of your chicken, we're going to go ahead and strain it. Don't forget to strain it. So let's blend it. Here we have the mole, guys. Make sure you guys strain it before you add your chicken. So we're going to take our chicken out from the boiling water, and we're going to go ahead and just transfer it over. Do not add the water. We're just going to add the chicken. So here it is. We're going to go ahead and put some sesame seeds right on top. Okay guys, so here's our mole. This is the most easiest mole you guys can make.